Here we come to the elevator at Waterway Square in the Woodlands, Texas. Look at this beautiful river right here. That probably is another elevator right across the bridge. We'll do that one next after this. Anyways, this is an MEI from 2015. 10 years old now. It's holeless. Someone's gonna need to use it, so we'll take a look at out in the Riverwalk real quick, and then we'll get another round in the elevator without getting interrupted. Anyways, I did film this elevator just a couple months ago, but I accidentally lost the video of it. And by the time I upload this video, I do have an updated take on every single elevator I filmed here in the Woodlands area, including Woodlands Mall and including certain other elevators that you may have seen in my older videos. So if I've already uploaded the video, I hope y'all enjoy that, but if not, stay tuned for it. This elevator had a fan turned on the last time I came here. This is the elevator I did not realize seeing the last time I came here. And it's almost been nearly 10 years since I've came here before. Indicator glitch. This is your basic full glass elevator. Watch it from the inside now in 4K mode. I absolutely love the motor on this thing. There's a stage right there, as you can see. Both indicators light up. I'll watch from out that side over there. All right, here we go. I actually like that view better than the other side, because You can see out into the river right there. So look at this piston right here. That looks like a telescopic holeless hydraulic elevator of some sort. Anyways, we're gonna end the video on one. Chimes down for up? That's the indicator's wired backwards. See, look at this. It's gotta be telescopic of some sort. There's another elevator over there. We'll go check that one out in a little bit. All right, there it goes. And that's the MEI elevator. And only to find out it is sadly broken. It's broken. Well, that's just wonderful. Well, anyways, see, that over there is the MEI elevator we just rode. But anyways, that is definitely gonna be it for real.